How to download Lara Croft application on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to download Lara Croft game on your Android device, firstly, open up your Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar at the top, type in Lara Croft and search. Once you're in the search results, look for the Lara Croft Relic Run application and then tap on the install button. Wait for the application to download and install. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the app will be installed. You can then open it up and start playing the game. So that is how you can download and install Lara Croft Relic Run application on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.